Now let us move on to problem solving. Have you heard about these attempts at solving problems? Now few problems are there. Have you heard? Let us see what are those problems. Hiware Bazar, the village of Hiware Bazar in Ahmednagar district, water shortage was a big problem. So there was a huge problem of water shortage in Ahmednagar district. Village name was Hiware Bazar. So this problem was solved with the help of the participation of the villagers. So now the people staying in the village, they only came together and solved that problem. The people and the problem of animal fed was also solved. Now Hiware Bazar has lush green surrounding. So animal fed, that means the animals graze, right? The animals which are there, that greenery is there, so grasses and leaves they eat, right? So they also solved this problem, and now in Hiware Bazar there is greenery and it is surrounded with green. Many villages face water shortage problem. Find the reason for this and suggest solution. Now what you have to do, you many villages you come across hearing that there is a water shortage problem. So now you have to find the reason and you have to suggest that what can be done to this. Cleaning a village through Shramdan, the people of Khudawadi, known village in Osmanabad district, cleansed their village through Shramdan. Shramdan is what? Without expecting anything, you volunteers or yourself. Without expecting money, I would say. You volunteer yourself and you contribute your labor. Labor is working over there, whatever work is there. So they did Shramdan, that is voluntary contribution of labor, and they decided that everyone should help in cleaning the village. Now this district, that is Khudawadi village in Osmanabad, what they did, they decided that they will do Shramdan and everyone will participate in that and everyone do the cleaning of the village. First the wastewater was dealt with. That means they first what they did, they dealt with the wastewater, how to remove the wastewater from there. They handled that thing, they solved that thing first. Then they came to the garbage. The garbage was used to make manure with vermiculture, using vermiculture. So the garbage what was there, so they used the technique of vermiculture and they made a manure of that. The toilet was built in each house. A toilet was built in each house so that no one goes out and for the toilet. Now further you will see about the spread of cleanliness spread in the in Maharashtra through various saints. The picture that you see is of Sant Gadge Maharaj. He used to do kirtans and he stressed through his kirtans, he stressed to the people the importance of cleanliness. He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. So he passed on the message to the people that we cannot progress or we cannot grow or we cannot develop without following these three things. These are important in our life, that is cleanliness, education and being self-reliance. He showed people how to clean the village through his own action. So what? Practice before you preach is one of the phrases. So here what he did, he himself did first, and then with his actions he showed to the people that yes, we can do it. Now here one more saint is there who passed on the same message to the people. His name is Rashtriya Sant Tukdoji Maharaj. He explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. Through his verses and through his poetries, I would say, he spread the message of cleanliness. Let us see some. See, मिडोनी करावी ग्राम सफाई, नाली मोरी ठाई ठाई, हंसते पर हंसते साफ सरवाही सर्वही चहूकडे मार्ग. Through his sayings, he spread the message of cleanliness. So here in this in these lines, he is spreading the message of cleanliness.